So let's check out today's Oracle deck. It is by Ethony, and I love Ethony. I did do another tarot card reveal. Her card that is the limited edition, the Cosmic Wisdom Tarot, if you guys want to check out that video. But for now, let's do these cards. All right, let's open it up. I always get so excited when I'm discovering new cards and getting to see the artwork that the artist and the creator put them together. Okay, so here we go. That is the back. And oh, it's got one of these little metal flaps. There you go. Inside, the awakened soul. And inside, that's what that looks like. So here is the Awakened Soul guidebook. That's what it looks like on the back. And let's look inside and see how the book is. There you go. So it will have different things in there. It'll have different spreads, as you guys can see that. And then I'll have an explanation for each of the cards. And there you go. So that's really good. So let's check out the cards. And I'm opening it up. They are silver, which is very nice. And you get a little card and a little message. And on the back, it says, "Who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakens, 𝐼𝐸_Jung." So there you go. And this is her message inside. And I just want to say a thank you to Ethony for gifting me these cards. They're absolutely stunning. Oh, and in the back, here you go. There is a Divine by the Moon and Create a Magical Year. There is her moon guide and there is the website. So check it out. Right. We will leave that. Oh, and here you go too. The back of the cards. Are these not gorgeous? They're absolutely stunning. And the side is silver, if you can see that. They're gorgeous. And they're easy to hold. They're not too big, and I have small hands, and I can hold it just fine. So I like that. So let's see. Our first card is Action. The second card, Adventure. The next card, Authenticity. And let's see, Boundaries. And we have Challenge. Let me switch out my glasses. Okay, that's better. Challenge. There you go. Change. Cleanse. Compassion. Connection. And I actually do the reveal of these cards with Ethony in a separate video where I get to interview her and we do the behind the scenes of the Oracle deck. It's gorgeous, the stories behind each of the cards. Desire. So I will put the link at the bottom if you guys are interested in checking it out. Devotion. And this is a dream. Family. Forgiveness. Oh, fun. This is lots of fun. Gaia. Oh, that is beautiful. Gift. Gratitude. Grounding. Guidance. I love that. With the tarot cards. Healing. Judgment. Knowledge. Labyrinth. Leadership. magic, mantra, meditate, mirror, perseverance. Oops, got too stuck there. Perseverance, perspective, rebirth, release, rescue, sanctuary, sensuality, shadow, shapeshifter, silence, simplicity, solitude, song, sovereignty, surrender. That is powerful. Treasure, trust, truth. Oh, and I love that. Look, it's on her throat chakra. Unplug and vision. And the last one is wisdom. I hope you guys like that oracle deck. I thought the cards were beautiful and stunning. It is called the Awakened Soul. Ethony actually has it for sale on her website, so I will add the links below if you guys want to check it out. If you guys want to see the full interview with her and this deck of behind the scenes and the stories and what inspired her to create some of the cards, I'm going to add the link below. All right. Have an awesome day, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below. Do you like the deck? Do you have the deck? Are you going to get your own deck? All right. Have an awesome day, everybody. Take care. Bye.